Morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Yes, children. Did you finish your classwork and homework? Okay, very good. Did you study yesterday portions? Very good. Some children are studying, some children are playing. Yes. Okay. Don't do like that. Okay, children. Every day, what the portion is going, you want to study and write it also. Okay, children. In the previous class, we learn about the entire of the earth. In this entire of the earth, see the structure of the earth is made look like a compared to the apple. Yes. So in this one, we have the three layers in the earth: crust, mantle, and core. So crust is one of the outermost layer. Her characteristic is the thickness 35 kilometers. His material is silicon, magnesium, and aluminium, and here density is 3.0 kilogram per cubic meter. And what is the temperature of the crust? 200 degrees Celsius to 500 degree Celsius. And we saw about the mantle. See, in this mantle we have the thickness is 2900 kilometer, and his material, what is the material inside that mantle? Iron and magnesium. Density 5.5 kilogram per cubic centimeter. And what is the temperature of the mantle? 500 degree Celsius to 4500 degree. See, and we learn about the core. Yes, what is the core thickness? 3500 kilometer. What is the material of the core? Nickel iron. What is the density of the core? 13.0 kilogram per cubic centimeter. Temperature, what is the temperature of the core? 4500 degree Celsius, 6500 degree Celsius. And we learn about the earthquake. Is there no? Two forces we learn. What is the earth movements? We learn about the two forces. One is endogenic forces, another one exogenic forces. The forces which act in the entire of the earth, we say endogenic forces. What the forces works on the surface of the earth, we say exogenic forces. What is the earthquake? A sudden movement of a portion of the crust which moves, a shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. So some vibrate will be go on the focus of the earth, so suddenly the from the epicenter, so that time the focus of the vibrations, the direction waves will be go, so that time the earthquake will be appear. Which instrument we will use to record seismograph? Which scales with measured by that earthquake? Richter scale. What is the cause of the earthquake? Causes of earthquake also will be there. Yes, the earth sending vibration or waves into the surrounding portions, that time the earthquake will be appear. Then if the earthquakes comes means our building will be fall, otherwise it will get some dangers, will be crackers also will be appear, so death also will be come in our lives. How many types of earthquake waves are there? P waves, S waves, L waves. So P waves means longitudinal waves, transverse waves, surface waves. Yes or no? Yeah. Volcanoes. Volcanoes means irikulambugal. Okay. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which hot magma erupts from the earth, from the deep below the surface. So the opening is usually circular in form. Volcanic eruptions may also take place a long crack or fissures through the streams. See, volcanoes means the sudden eruptions of magma, ashes and gases from a vent on the earth's surface is called volcano. So volcanoes always generally found on the plate margins. See, as I mentioned in the earlier class also, the hot molten magma gushes out of the lava from a vent. So vent is an opening on the earth surface. Vent வந்து எப்பவுமே எப்படி தான் இருக்குமா, திறந்த விதமாக தான் என்ன செய்யும் இருக்கும். சரியா? So in this volcanoes, the molten rock of the material within together with the gases, so is called magma, and the rises of the surface, it is called lava. It is called lava. In course of time, lava and other materials flow out of the volcano aggregated around the opening and form a conical hill on the mountains. So when the opened a vent, the pressures will be more, means the volcano will be the lava also will become, magma will come, so that time the ash cloud will come out from the mountains. So the top of the cone is usually marked by the funnel shaped dispersions. Funnel means that shape will be different, okay, so that we will say crater. If the crater's volcano is a great size and shaped in the basin, that we say galleria. So galleria were the caused by violent explosion which blows away entire tops of great cones. வெடிச்சு வெளியே வரும்போது அப்படியே மாறிடுது, அந்த டாப் அந்த கோன் வழியே என்ன செய்யும், அந்த காட்சிகள் வெளியே பரவிடும். ஓகேவா? எரிக்குழம்புகள் வெடிக்கும். The causes of volcanic activity. The temperature increase as the depth increase at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters. So there is always great pressure. அதுக்குள்ள எப்பவுமே எப்படி தான் இருக்குமா, ப்ரெஷர்ஸ் அதிகமாக தான் இருக்கும். At the depth of the 15 kilometers, the pressure is about 5 tons per cm2 of rock. So this circumference, the entire of the earth is semi molten state. அது எப்பவுமே semi molten stateல இருக்கும்போது என்னதான் அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், மேக்மா. ஸோ மேக்மா வந்து எப்பவுமே கிரேட் ப்ரெஷராக இருக்கும். அங்கே வந்து அதோட வால்யூம், கேஸோட வால்யூம் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ சம் கேஸஸ் ஆல்சோ கன்ஸ்டியூபிள். ஸோ திஸ் மேக்ஸ் வால்கானிக் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் burst through the 3 weak spots in the earth crust. அப்படி ஆகும்போது என்ன செய்யுது, எரிக்குழம்புகள் burst ஆகுது. அந்த மெட்டீரியல் உள்ள இருக்க மெட்டீரியல் என்ன செய்யுது, burst ஆகி நம்மளுடைய எர்த் கிரஸ்ட்குள்ளேருந்து என்ன செய்யுது, வெளியே வருது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபேக்ட், த ஸ்டடி, scientific study of volcanoes, what will say volcanology. People who studied volcanoes, about that we say volcanologistics. Okay children? Nature of eruptions. Sometimes magma rises slowly to the surface and spreads over a vast area. So this known as fissure eruptions. So some plateaus and plains have been formed in this ways. Deccan Plateau in India and Columbia Plateau in North America. So if the magma rises quickly on the surface, the lava throw high in the atmosphere. Besides the lava, ash, steam, gas, the pieces of rocks also thrown out. The magma ஓட வேகங்கள் அதிகமாக இருக்கும்போது உள்ள இருக்க லாவாவும் ஆஷ், ஸ்டீம், கேஸஸ், அந்த உள்ள இருக்க பாறைகளுடைய துகள்கள் கூட என்ன செஞ்சிடும், ப்ரெஷரில் வெளியே தூக்கி எறியப்படும். ஸோ திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் எரப்ஷன் வாட் வில் சே எக்ஸ்ப்ளோசிவ் eruptions. What we say? Explosive eruptions. The terrible explosions on the 27th August 1883 in the island Krakatoa, இட்ஸ் இந்தோனேஷியாவில் இப்படி ஒரு எருமலை என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கு, 27 ஆகஸ்ட் 1883 நடைபெற்றிருக்கு. The viscosity of the lava is determined by the amount of silica and water in magma. So the highly viscosity lava is rich in silica, has a little water. So the lava has a little silica but lot of water is there. So when the pressure will become, it will be smooth, flows away. It moves away. Okay children? See, what are the types of volcanoes? What are the types are there? See, volcanoes also one of the grouped, yes, it's according to the eruptions such as active, dormant and extinct. See, active volcanics are that erupt frequently are called active volcanoes. So this volcanoes always active in the Pacific ring of fire belt which lies along the Pacific coast. So there are about 600 volcanoes in the world. 300 எரிமலைகள் என்ன செய்து இருக்குது 600 active volcanoes in this world. Where it is in Stromboli in Mediterranean seas, Helens in USA, Pinatubo it is in Philippines, Mauna Loa it's a Hawaii. It is a world biggest active volcano. எரிமலைகள் அங்க என்ன செய்து இருக்குது. Stromboli is known as the lighthouse of Mediterranean seas. See, dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes means have shown no sign of activity for many years, but they may become active at any time. So this always we'll say sleeping volcanoes. This we always say sleeping volcanoes. It is the Vesuvius mountain of Italy, Mount Fujiyama of it is in Japan, Krakatoa of it is in Indonesia. It is one of the example of this types. இது மலைகள் இருக்கும் ஆனால் அந்த அளவுக்கு என்ன செய்யாது, எராப்ரேட் ஆகாது. ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எக்ஸ்டின்ட் வால்கனோ, அழிந்து விட்டது. A volcano has not erupted in past 1000 years is option listed. Extinct volcanoes. So the top of the extinct volcano mountains have been eroded. Mr. Bob of Myanmar and Mr. Kilimanjaro and Mountain Kenya of Africa are example of extinct volcanoes. So top of extinct volcanoes will be eroded. It's a Boba of Myanmar. இதெல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கு, ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துல மலைகள் என்ன செய்து இருக்குது. See, volcanoes means what I said children, the sudden eruptions of magma ashes and gases from a vent எப்போவுமே திறந்து தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ மேக்னீஷியத்தோட மேக்மாவோட இது வந்து ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆகும்போது எரிக்குழம்புகள் வெடிக்கிறதான சூழ்நிலைகள் என்ன செய்து ஏற்படுது. ஸோ திஸ் vent is always opened only. Okay children. The volcano is a vent or opening in the earth crust that magma will be come out. So the shape of volcano depends on the type of lava and force of eruptions. volcano வந்து எதை பேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், லாவாவும் மேக்மாவும் வச்சு ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி தான் என்னது எரிமலைகள் காணப்படுகிறது. ஓகேவாமா. வெண்ட் மீன்ஸ் எரிமலை வாய், எரிமலையோட வாய். வெண்ட்னா என்னது, எரிமலையோட வாய். An opening on the earth surface from which volcanic material is emitted. Magma என்னது, பாறை குழம்பு, the molten state of rocks. Lava என்னது, எரிமலை குழம்பு, the solidified form of magma after it reaches the surface of the earth. Now you understand, and we studied about the three volcano. One is active, dormant, and third one is extinct. Active means it is a erupt frequently. Dormant means that erupted in the past but are now quiet. ஃபஸ்ட் வெடிச்சிச்சு, ஆனால் இப்போ அது எப்படி இருக்குது, அமைதியாக, அது எதுவுமே பண்ணாமல் அப்படியே அமைதியாக இருக்குது. எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது இந்த இடத்துல ஆக்டிவாக, எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது, இட் இஸ் அலாங் வித் லொக்கேட்டட் அலாங் வித் த பசிபிக் ரிங் ஆஃப் ஃபயர்ஸ். அண்ட் டார்மினேட் வேல்கனோ எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது, இட் இஸ் இன் த நேஷனல் பார்க் இன் USA, Kenya of the Africa. Okay children, little only I said. And extinct volcano, it is have not erupted in the past. அது என்னமே எதுவுமே ஆகலை, ஆனால் எரிமலைகள் என்ன செய்யுது இருக்குது. அது எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்குது, நெதர்லாண்ட்ஸில் இருக்குது, ஸ்காட்லாந்தில் இருக்குது, ஆஃப்ரிக்காவில் இருக்குது, மயன்மாரில் இருக்குது, கிளிமஞ்சாரோ மலையில் இருக்குது. சரியா. ஸோ திஸ் ஆல் த பிளேசஸ் வில் பி தேர். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ இந்த பசிபிக் ரிங் ஆல்சோ வி ஹாவ் 75% active volcanoes are there. Okay children. Now we are going to see about the distributions of volcanoes in the world. Volcanoes are located they are the very closely related to the regions that have been instantly folded or faulted. So 600 active volcanoes or 1000 dormant and exit once. So they occur along the coastal mountain ranges, offshore island, and the midst of the oceans. It will be formed in near the offshore island and the oceans, but they are very few entire of the continents. So the volcanic belts also one of the principal earthquake belts of the world. So three major zones of volcanic activities are there in the world. One is Pacific belt, mid-continental belt, the mid-Atlantic belt. Now we are going to see the circumbelt. This is the volcanic zone of the convergent ocean plate. It includes the volcanics of the eastern and the western coastal of the Pacific Oceans. Okay, circumbelt எங்கே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா ஈஸ்டர்ன்லேயே வெஸ்டர்ன் கோஸ்டல் ஏரியா பசிபிக் ஓஷன் இருக்குல்ல, பசிபிக் கடல், பெருங்கடல், ஓஷனா என்னது பெருங்கடல். ஓகே, அது பக்கத்தில் என்ன செய்து இருக்குது, இதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா பசிபிக் ரிங் ஆஃப் ஃபயர் விச் வி டிஸ்மேட் இன்டு இன்க்ளூட் 2/3 ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் வால்கனிக்ஸ். Second one, mid-continental belt. This is the volcanic zone of convergent continental plates boundary in the that volcano is in the Alpine mountain chains. And we have the Mediterranean seas and fault zone of the eastern Africa. So the important volcanoes are, what are the important volcanoes are? That is the Vesuvius, Stromboli, Etna, Kilimanjaro, Kenya. And Himalayas also is there, but it is no active volcanoes at all. அது எப்பவுமே என்ன செய்யாது, வெடிக்காது, சரியா? ஆனால் அதுவும் volcanoes தான். Next, mid-Atlantic belt. So this belt represent the divergent boundary of plates. It is allocated along the mid-Atlantic regions. So volcanoes of this area are mainly of pressure eruption type. Iceland is the most active volcanic area. It is located in the mid-Atlantic range. St. Helena and Azores is one of the example for the mid-Atlantic examples. Okay. Okay, little where up we can go. The entire earth structure is compared to the apple only, and the crust is always outermost layer. Upper part what we will say SIAL, lower part what we will say SIMA, and the lithosphere is broken in numbers of plates. So where the earthquake will become under the earth. Tsunami where it caused, it is underwater earthquake. Okay children. And volcano is one of the vent. Vent means what I said, an opening at the earth surface from which volcanic material is eliminated. So three major zone of volcanic activity also in our world. What is that? Mid-continental, mid-Atlantic belt. Mark the book activities, page number 152. Page number 152. First one option is A. Knife is made of nickel and ferrosus. Second option is earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edges of plates. Third one, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured by, option is B, Richter scale. Fourth one, the narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called a vent. Fifth one, lava cones are mountains of accumulations. A. Sixth one, the top of the cone of volcanic mountain has a depressions. A. Crater. Okay children, this much is enough. After we can mark the book activities. Okay, now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Next day we will mark, fill in the blanks, and others circle the odd one, match the following. Okay, children, all of you take your classwork note. Children, that day we wrote three questions. Yes or no? What question we wrote? What is mantle? Write a note on the core of the earth and define earthquake. Today we are going to write three questions. Okay, what is seismograph? What is volcano? Name the three types of volcanoes based on the periodicity of eruptions. Write it fast. I give the time to write. Write it fast. Write, children, fastly. Only three questions. Write fast. See, if you finish one question, leave one line and write it. Next question, okay? Write neatly, children. Did you finish two questions? Now you are writing third. Okay, write it fast. Did you finish, ma? Now turn to your page to the homework note. Okay, children? This is the previous answer for homework. Okay? Blue, Iron 6371, 2900 kilometer, and Bristol. Okay, write it fast, correct it fast. Did you finish? Now we are going to write the homework, today's homework. Okay, only 5 I gave. I give the time to you in a 5 I gave to you. Okay, write it fast, see and write. This answer will you see in the book activities. Okay, did you finish, ma? Write it fast. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next video.